Good morning, students. Yesterday, we saw the introductions of the lesson after 20 years. We know that it was the story about two friends when they meet after 20 years. In the first paragraph, we saw that a policeman was moving in avenue with his beat in a habitual and there was no people in the street as it was a cloudy night at 10 o'clock. We can proceed the next one. Trying doors as he went twirling his club with many intricate and artful movements. That means he was twirling means twisting, turning around. He was turning around and looking at the street by guarding the street and with many intricate and artful movement, not in a uniformitical way, in an intricate means complicated way, going straight and by side way and turning around and going by side. In that manner, he was walking, turning now and then to cast his watchful eye adown the Pacific thoroughfare. The officer, with his stalwart means physically strong. He was watching here and there, now and then, turning there. And he was watching the Pacific line, the coast there, in the New York City, in a street. He was watching as he was guarding there with his strong physical body and slight swagger. Swagger means confident way. You see policemen, you watch them now. They will walk straight and with a what we say, the manner that they will go in a very stubbornness way. In that way, he was walking, made a fine picture of a guardian of the peace. That means he was guarding the street, and the people will be very safe. They will feel safe and they will be in peace. The vicinity means surroundings, was one that kept early hours. It looked like some early morning way. That means nobody was in the street. Now and then you might see the lights of a cigar store or of an all night lunch counter, but the majority of the doors belonged to business places that had long since been closed. So he was walking in the way, in the confident way, and he was seeing the surroundings. Nobody is there, and now and then he was seeing the corner of a shop. That cigar shops means boutique shops, no. And all night lunch counters. Night lunch counter means Tiffin centers. It all was majority of the doors were closed. That means locked. Nobody is there in the street. It was around 10 o'clock, no? So it was locked. When about midway of a certain block, the policeman suddenly slowed his walk. So while he was walking on the street, in a certain building, he stopped. Suddenly he slowed because he watched a man was standing at the nearby shop. In the doorway of a darkened hardware store means iron material stores. No, a man leaned with an unlighted cigar in his mouth. So he was walking around, and while he was crossing a building, he was slowing his walk, and he found a man who was standing in the hardware stores, leaning on the shop with a cigar which was not lighted. As the policeman walked up to him, the man spoke up quickly. So we know whenever a policeman come near to us, we will get afraid and we will talk immediately, no sir, no sir, no sir, like that. We will make a way that he was not doubt in us. In such a way, when the policeman walked to him, that man was frightened and he was talking very quickly. It's all right, officer, he said reassuringly. Reassuringly means don't be doubt, don't be doubt. I am the man. I'm just waiting for a friend. He was saying that when the policeman reached him, he saw him and he said that, oh no, sir, I'm waiting for my friend. It is an appointment made 20 years ago. He said that, oh no, sir, I'm waiting for my friend. We made an appointment before 20 years. Sounds a little funny to you, doesn't it? He was saying, sir, it is so funny, no, 20 years before we make an appointment and we are going to meet now. It is funny for you, no? He is saying that. Well, I will explain if you'd like to make certain it's all straight. About that long ago, there used to be a restaurant where this store stands. Big Joe Brady's restaurant. He was explaining the policeman that before 20 years,